In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder on Google Docs. If your documents are scattered everywhere, this quick workflow will help you keep things organized right from within a document. Start by opening Google Docs and loading the document you want to organize. You can open an existing file or start a new one. It works the same either way. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so the changes can be saved to your drive. Look toward the top area of the document near the title. You'll see a small icon that looks like a folder with an arrow on it. This is the Move button. Sometimes it's labeled Move To. Click that. This opens a file picker window that connects your document to Google Drive, where all your folders live. In the file picker, find and select My Drive. You might see it in the sidebar or as part of a breadcrumb path at the top. If you're currently looking inside a subfolder, use the back arrow to step up until you're in My Drive. This is your main storage area and the easiest place to create a new folder that you'll remember later. Once you're viewing My Drive inside the picker, look for the option to create a new folder. You'll typically see a small folder icon with a plus sign, often near the bottom left of that window. Click it to create a new folder. A prompt will appear asking you to name the folder. Give it a clear, memorable name, something like Project Reports, Meeting Notes, or Invoices. 2025 works well. Avoid using special characters that make searching harder, and consider a consistent naming pattern so future folders line up neatly. After typing the folder name, press Create. Your new folder appears right in My Drive and it will be selected in the picker so it's ready to be used. Depending on your interface, you may be asked to confirm the change so the document lands inside that folder. If you see a confirmation prompt, go ahead and approve it. That's all there is to it. You opened your document, used the Move button, navigated to My Drive, created a new folder, and gave it a clear name. From now on, you can reuse that folder for related documents so everything stays together. If you don't see My Drive right away, remember you can navigate up using the arrows or the path at the top until you reach your main drive. Keeping your docs organized this way makes them easier to find, share, and work with across projects. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.